This is an update on an open trade that we have here. This is Bitcoin dollar. It is August 12th, 2017. It's just about 9:30 p.m. on a Saturday Eastern time, or New York time for those of you who are keeping track of these trades. So this is an update on a trade that we've had in several different locations. So the entry has been a couple of different times earlier in the week with closing positions, sometimes on day trades, but Friday and late Thursday, we realized that it was going to end up hitting, and this is, when I say we, it's the discussion that I have with my coaching students and my subscribers in a private chat room. So we review this particular chart. We're going to the daily chart. So this is 3,800 was our target here based on the last few trades that we've executed over the past couple of weeks. Bitcoin dollar. Now, of course, the strategy is the same that I apply with Forex, trading the majors. I don't necessarily, and before I move on, you might be thinking, why am I looking at a daily time frame? Do I execute on the daily time frame? And it's the daily time frame gives me the overall bigger picture, right? We always go back to the daily time frame to get a better idea of what's going on. And again, to get our expectations in line, we need to know what to do each day based on the data and the information that we see here technically. So by going to a lower time frame like the 30-minute or the 1 hour, that gives us a precise entry, and then that gives us the opportunity to minimize the stop loss rather than to use a stop loss based on the daily chart. So we're not using stop losses based on the daily chart, but we're continuing to monitor and watch the daily chart to make sure that the trend remains intact. Now, as I mentioned, Thursday and Friday, it was pretty obvious at that point that we were going to see another continued move higher towards the 38. So 38 was the first place, along with some day trades that we had along the way. But it was the first stop here on this overall larger time frame price target. And then at that point, we were going to scale out. The next level was going to be the 4,000 level. So again, with the Bitcoin boss, it is a robot. It's an EA. It's actually me executing the trade. So I manage these trades. It's not something that works automatically by itself with nobody analyzing it and assessing the conditions and to confirm. It is me confirming every step of the way. That's the beauty of using a robot like this, is that very often, and as I mentioned just a couple of weeks back, we were in consolidation here on the daily time frame, and it gave us fewer trading opportunities here. This chart, because of the consolidation, indicated to me that I've got to take smaller trades or wait for very specific trades, whether that means reversals at major support and resistance levels. Now, at the same time, there were also some Forex major currency pairs that were also giving more opportunities and breaking out. So we slow down and don't necessarily trade Bitcoin because we don't want to make any mistakes. We don't want to get into trades that could fail. Consolidation is a little more tricky to trade. So we trade Forex at the same time. This Bitcoin boss robot will not only give you Bitcoin trades, but when the Bitcoin market is slow and harder to trade, we shift our focus over to the Forex and you make even more money. Because overall, at the end of the week or at the end of the month, it's all about how many points did you make for that week, and how does that translate into the amount of money that you're earning every single week and every single month. That's the bottom line. It's all about profits. So we'll do another update once this one clears 4,000. Otherwise, I'll do that update and analysis to reveal our price targets above 4,000 on Sunday.